Hello, and in this video I'm going to be unboxing the Rode NT USB microphone. Now here we have the Rode NT USB microphone. It had a lot of sticky tape around it, closing it shut, so I pre-cut that to save from boredom. Now, what do we have here? Ah, look at that. Beautiful piece of foam. First off, we have a little stand there for the microphone to sit on. We have a cable. Whoa! Ooh! Look how long this cable is. That is a very long cable. That is very, very good. If only all companies did that, it would make things a lot easier. You can put speakers wherever you want, you can charge your phone wherever you want, not limited to 1 to 1.5 meters worth of movement. And we have what looks to be a pencil case with I Love Rode sticker and what looks to be a manual. Check out that Rode sticker though. Huh? Yeah. I'm just reading the manual here, and this cable is 6 meters long. 6 meters. Excellent. Excellent. This Rode NT USB microphone is compatible with Apple iPod, has a car droid polar pattern, state-of-the-art surface mount electrics, designed in Australia, and a 2 full-year guarantee. And apparently this isn't a pencil case, not that I thought it was. According to the manual, it is a microphone pouch, because I mean, who uses pencils anymore? Well, that's on a keyboard, you know? And next, what you have all been waiting for. The Rode NT USB microphone with a bit of foam in there. The Rode NT USB microphone comes with the pop shield, obviously dials to change all your volumes and things. Also, it comes with a headphone jack, so you can check your levels. The microphone itself feels like it's made out of aluminium, magnesium, something like that. It's really sturdy, cold to the touch. And then this bracket here, that feels like plastic to me, as well as the stand. The stand is plastic also. That is not aluminium. What is this dangly bit at the bottom, I hear you ask? Well, you pull it, then you have the spot where you put your cable. Up its bum. Why did I get the Rode NT USB microphone? Well, I think this is quite competitively priced. In Australia, I picked this up for 168 Australian dollars, which is a pretty good price. There are cheaper ones out there, but there are a lot more expensive ones out there too. I can't wait to check out how this goes now. Let's put the microphone on the stand. That just spin on there. Then you want it so the microphone weight is sitting at the front here, otherwise it's going to topple backwards. Facing down a bit maybe. Tighten that up. Yeah, that looks about right. We have the Rode NT USB microphone all put together. This should make my voiceovers a little bit better, but that's all I'll do in this video. Just the unboxing for now. I'll do the review in a later video very, very soon. So be subscribed to check that out. Check out some of my other videos around here, and I'll see you in the next video. Okay, bye!